Ever pondered about the process behind making Celtic sea salt? Imagine a salt that's not just a flavor enhancer but a culinary experience, a health booster, and a testament to ancient traditions. That's Celtic sea salt for you, a gem of nature that's as intriguing as it is beneficial. This is not your average table salt. Celtic sea salt is a unique concoction of minerals and elements, a product of the sea and the sun, and a testament to an age-old process. Its rich flavor and inherent health benefits have made it a sought-after commodity worldwide. Despite the advent of modern technologies, the making of Celtic sea salt remains rooted in tradition, a process that has been passed down through generations. It's a fascinating blend of nature and human ingenuity, creating a product that's as pure as it is flavorful. So, are you ready to delve deeper? Buckle up as we dive into the fascinating journey of Celtic sea salt from sea to your table. The story of Celtic sea salt begins centuries ago, with the Celts. The Celts, a collection of tribes with origins in Central Europe, were pioneers in many ways, and their innovative spirit extended to the creation of this unique type of salt. Through keen observation and experimentation, the Celts discovered that they could harness the power of the sea, sun, and wind to create a product that was not only essential for their survival, but also became a cornerstone of their economy. Celtic sea salt was born from their understanding of the natural world, and their method of salt production was both simple and ingenious. The Celts would collect seawater from the cleanest, most pristine parts of the ocean. This water would then be allowed to evaporate, leaving behind a residue of salt that was rich in minerals and nutrients. This wasn't just any salt, but a healthier, tastier alternative to the common table salt. The impact of this discovery was far-reaching. It not only provided the Celts with a valuable commodity for trade, but also played a vital role in food preservation and flavor enhancement. Even more significantly, it demonstrated the Celts' deep understanding of their environment and their ability to use it to their advantage. This traditional method of producing Celtic sea salt has been passed down through generations. It's a living testament to the innovative spirit of the Celts, a technique that has stood the test of time. The legacy of the Celts continues through this age-old salt-making technique, a testament to their innovative spirit. The journey of creating Celtic sea salt starts with the sea, the heart of its existence. An enchanting world of endless waves and rhythmic tides, the ocean is not just a source, it's the vital artery pumping life into every grain of Celtic sea salt. Imagine this. The sun casting its golden hue on the surface of the water, the whisper of the wind, the dance of the waves. It's in this pristine environment that the journey begins. But it isn't merely about the aesthetic beauty. It's about purity. The quality of the seawater plays a crucial role in the creation of Celtic sea salt. Clean, unpolluted water, free of harmful contaminants, is the canvas on which the artistry of Celtic sea salt unfolds. The quality of this water directly impacts the mineral composition, flavor, and ultimately, the health benefits of the salt. The purity of the seawater is paramount, setting the stage for the creation of high-quality Celtic sea salt. The magic happens when the seawater meets the sun and wind. This is the point where the process of solar evaporation takes center stage. It's a simple yet fascinating process that's been utilized for centuries, harnessing the power of the elements to create something truly essential to our well-being. Picture this, if you will. The seawater, in all its salty glory, is gently ushered into shallow clay ponds. These ponds are carefully constructed and maintained, ensuring that they provide the perfect environment for what's about to happen. Once the seawater is in place, the stage is set for the sun and wind to do their thing. Now let's talk about the sun. The sun's rays pour down onto the surface of the seawater, warming it and causing the water to slowly start to evaporate. This is a gradual process, a dance between the sun and the water that can take days or even weeks to complete. But the sun isn't working alone. The wind too plays a crucial role, sweeping across the surface of the water, helping to speed up the evaporation process. As the water evaporates, it leaves behind the salt, which begins to crystallize. These crystals are the beginnings of what will become Celtic sea salt. But it's not just salt that's left behind. This natural method of evaporation also retains the beneficial trace elements found in seawater. These elements, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and others, add to the nutritional value of the salt and give it its distinctive flavor. And so, through this incredible process, the seawater is transformed. What was once a vast, undulating body of water becomes a collection of tiny, glistening crystals, each one packed full of nutrients. This isn't just any salt. This is Celtic sea salt, a product of the ocean, the sun, the wind, and time. Through the power of nature, the ocean's water transforms into the nutrient-rich Celtic sea salt. And that, my friends, is the beauty of solar evaporation. After the dance of the elements, it's time for the grand finale, the harvest. The Celtic sea salt, now crystallized and ready, awaits the hands of those who understand its worth. This isn't a mechanized process. No, it's a delicate dance of man and nature, a tradition passed down through generations. The salt farmers, skilled artisans in their own right, approach the salt pans with respect. In their hands, traditional wooden tools, weathered by time and use. These aren't just tools, they're extensions of the farmers themselves, bridging the gap between human and nature. The harvesting begins. Each grain of salt is carefully scraped from the surface of the pans. It's a gentle process, one that demands patience and precision. But why such care? The answer lies in the value of preservation. By using these methods, the farmers aren't just collecting salt, they're preserving its natural structure and nutritional profile. You see, Celtic sea salt is not just about taste, it's a treasure trove of minerals and nutrients, a gift from the sea itself. The gentle harvesting process ensures that these elements remain intact, providing us with a salt that's as nutritious as it is flavorful. So, the dance concludes. The salt born from the heart of the ocean, shaped by the power of the sun and wind, and carefully harvested by skilled hands, is ready to grace our tables. From the heart of the ocean, through the power of the sun and wind, to the careful hand harvesting, Celtic sea salt is indeed a gift of nature,